At Drury, we don't believe that classroom projects should always keep you behind a desk. We want you to live a little, and we want your work to have an impact on both yourself and the community. Whether it's an individual research effort, a long-term group project, or even a campus-wide initiative, it's important to us that you make your mark on the world around you. Even before you set foot in the classroom, you'll be part of what we call the service plunge, which happens the weekend before classes start. And sometimes this whole integrated learning thing requires you to go way beyond the borders of campus. I'm talking about getting on an airplane and studying abroad. At Drury, about half of the students study abroad at some point in their college career. Some majors even require it. If you're really passionate about your studies, you might want to check out the honors program. And of course, you don't have to go halfway around the world to go on a unique academic journey. It's personalized, it's far-reaching, and it's the kind of learning experience that's going to stay with you for the rest of your life.